Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to use poster maker, flyer maker that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in here search in poster maker. Alright, here it is, the first one. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. Alright, these are the things that you can do with this application. Poster maker, 50,000 plus professionally designed templates that you can use. So these are the examples. Select category of your business. Easy to use so everyone can design. Easily customize your font and color. Use multiple filters and effects. Beautiful design, sticker and shape. Share poster on social media, and so on. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that you can create amazing posters with a poster maker. 5,000 plus poster templates, free, quick and easy to use. No poster design skills are needed, and no watermark. This is a high quality graphic design and it's easily customizable. So you can drop your imagination and make a poster with the graphic design app. You can design festival wishes, festival advertisements for businesses with 1,000 plus festival poster. You can design creative advertisements for any businesses with advertisement templates. You can also design stunning social media posts, graphic design for social media marketing, create motivational quotes, and more. It's the easiest flyer maker you'll ever use, with thousands of flyer templates to choose from. You'll go from idea to finished flyer in minutes. Create a flyer with a flyer maker. Make a custom flyer design for parties, events, businesses, food, and restaurants. A poster maker is a fantastic experience for any marketing professional or business owner willing to promote products with a poster maker with photos and text. Take it as a graphic design app to showcase your products and for social media marketing. The filters, effects, background, and poster templates that were hard to create once are now easily editable with this graphic design app. You can browse a magnificent range of templates for your poster creator. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, here it is. So this is the dashboard or the home page, and you will see the templates right away. So these are the available templates that you can choose from. So real estate, cycling, fashion and lifestyle, Instagram posts, Facebook posts. There's a lot of categories that you can choose from. So you just have to scroll down and look for the poster that you want to use. So you don't have to edit everything, or you don't have to start from scratch. You just have to select a template and then just modify the text. Alright, you don't have to do it from scratch. Alright, so let's just choose this one here as an example. Let's say, alright, or you can swipe from the right side and you will see more availables for this category. So let's say announcement, you will see more category by swiping to the right. And let's just look for, alright, this one here for Facebook. Let's try this one. Okay, this one, that's good. Let's just let's tap the see more. Okay, new arrival. Right, this is something cool. Let's try this one. Alright, store name. Alright, you can edit, tap the edit to start editing, and then you have the option here, as you can see, layer, duplicate, lock, undo, redo, and save and export. So let's skip that part. So as you can see here at the bottom, skip and next. So let's skip that part, and you will routed on this page right away when you skip it. So you have the option to drag and drop the images or the elements on this poster. So it's up to you. You can select where you want to drop it. Let's say this one here, I want this I want to increase the size of the speaker, so I can just drag this one here. And the text, I can also move the text in here. Okay, move a little bit. And then the store name, I'm going to rename it, so I'm going to edit, and store name, let's say my store. This is let's say my store. And then tap the check mark to save the changes. You can make it smaller or bigger, it's up to you. Okay, you can increase the size of your text. You can also change the font as well. So let's say edit first, and then new arrival. Okay, I think that's good. Let's just change the size here. You can use this one here to change the size there. And if you don't want that, just undo it. Here at the top, there's a tool that you can press or tap to undo. And then you have the option to change the color there. Themes, you have the option to change as well. Just select the elements that you want to change. And then you have the option to replace, erase, move back and forth, or move up and down, left to right. You can even 3D rotate, size, change the size, crop. It's really up to you. So let's just say that I want to change the background. Alright, this one here. So I'm going to replace or change the background. Let's say that stock images. Let's use some of the stock images in here, and let's just try this one to see if it's going to work. Alright, let's try this. And let's remove this one here. Okay, this one's, close it there. Alright, this one looks cool. So you can add image there, allow, and then you can choose capture an image or choose an image. It's up to you. I'm going to cancel it. Add a text there. You can then type something you want. Background, we already done this. Change the background. You have the option to change color, gradient, pattern. Stock images is where you can use their images for free. So as you can see, there's a lot of categories in here that you can choose from. You can pick your own from your phone, or you can choose their backgrounds, which is really cool. As you can see, they have a lot of high quality background or images that you can use from there. So smart wall, there's a lot. And then of course you can change this text in here to the phone number as well. And let's say that we're done with the editing, but you can play all of the tools in here, the shapes, graphics. There's a lot of things that you can do with this, right? You can add this if you want to, shapes as well. Okay, you can insert these shapes, but I prefer this one. So let's say that I'm done with this. I'm just going to save it, and you have the option to save it as the original 650 by 800 or high quality or high definition 13,000 by 16,000. So I'm going to choose the HD. So right now it's being saved to my phone, and I have the option to share it to my social media like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on. So you can just tap these three dots in here and you will see a lot of options. You can even turn on backup to save it to your Google Drive if you want to. I'm just going to skip that part and go back to the home page by tapping the home icon here at the top right. And there I have now created one. So in here at the bottom you will also see the home, explore. So explore is where you can see all the popular templates, categories. You can even search the category in here, like for example YouTube. Yes, they have YouTube thumbnail or YouTube art. So there you can use one of these. examples. And this one here is search. There you can search. These are the popular tags to choose from. They have cartoons as well. So cartoons. Okay, if you're working on a construction company, then you can use this. Protect yourself at work. Checklist. Then create is where you can manually create your post or poster. So you have the option to create for Instagram, standard poster, for Pinterest, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook, and so on. I'm not going to create that. It's because it's going to take for a while to complete. So I'm just going to skip that part. And the last one is projects. My projects is where you can see all of your projects created. So it will be listed in here in this tab. So right now I have one created successfully. You can create more if I want to. So you can either explore or search. It's up to you. Let's just try YouTube channel art. Alright, this one's cool as well. You can add this to your, this is like a YouTube banner that you can add to your YouTube. Easy it is to use this application, and I highly recommend this to anyone who wants to promote their products online, the social media platform, or the social media promote your products online. I highly suggest that you try this one. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.